I'm getting wet. Oh, my feet are getting wet. How long must we wait? How long must we wait? How long must we wait for our civil rights? How long must we wait? How long must we wait? How long must we wait for our civil rights? It's hail. There's hail.
Woo!
We're caught in a hailstorm. It's going to be a tornado. It's tornadic activity.
No, you see, it's a good sign. It's all good.
Oh my God.
This is what the Indians would call a welcome.
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 This is crazy. I want to go grab some hail and play with it.
What a blessing.
That's awesome.
What a blessing.
That's really awesome. So how does it feel the first night of 24/7 going into that mode?
Great. It's great.
Waiting for your civil rights. You're with our campaign?
Yeah, do you want to come in?
No, we're out here waiting for our civil rights bill to be filed.
Wait for make sure you're okay out here.
Oh, no, we're okay.
Yeah. Well, we'll be more okay when she files the bill.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sweetie. She said that.
That's cool.
You know, yeah. You know who would understand the spirituality of this rain? Carrie. Carrie DeVito.
Who? Carrie would?
Carrie DeVito.
She'd get it.
She'd get it. And everyone else will get it, but she'll get it. You know.
How long must we wait? Oh.